Yeah, my dear students, now we will see about how to creating a directory. So far we have seen about how to create a file, how to view a file, how to combine a file, okay, how to delete a file. Now in this class we will go for create a directory. So generally directories can be created on a Linux operating system or Unix operating system using the following command. So the syntax is allow us to look at here mkdir. Mk stands for making directory. Mkdir making directory space directory name. So this is directory name. This is the mkdir command name. So the example is very simple. What example I have taken? Example I have taken is mkdir is the so-called directory, and directory name. What is the directory I have taken? I have taken as my directory. This is a screenshot. So again, this is the shell prompt. Dollar is the shell prompt. What I have typed here mkdir space my directory. So once I type for this one, okay, so it cannot directly display the directory. So after that one, we have to how whether the directory created by you is available on your system or not. Just go back to our fundamental command, ls command. What it does, like I said earlier, it will display the whatever the files, whatever the directories on our systems will be done by this command. So whenever I type ls, it will display all the so-called directories. So already some directories are there. So it will create a directory called as my directory. That's why I have given the name. No? Previously, some of the directories are there: desktop, downloads, music, picture, templates, video. So in red color mark, rectangle red color mark, so a newly created directory will be available. So again, it will return back to the empty command prompt. This is called as empty command prompt. The exact meaning is empty dot. Okay, so this is about the creating a directory. And coming back to the how to remove a directory. So to remove a directory, you can use the command. Syntax is very simple. Rm stands for remove. Rm directory name. That's it. Rm directory space directory name. Okay, Rm directory space directory name. So here there is space between rmdir and then directory name. So for better understanding, all of us just look at the example here. In this screenshot, I have given clearly, but I have not mentioned syntax. But there is space between the rmdir and directory name. So in this case, the so-called command prompt and then rmdir remove directory space. What directory name I have given? My directory. Only what we have created in the previously, that is that one. Same thing it will be displayed in the enclosed rectangle box. So again, as usual, I shall type in the command prompt ls command. So it will display what it display. Whatever the directory we have removed now, just now, my directory, that will be not shown in this screenshot. So this is the difference between creating a directory and the removing the directories. Now, now coming to the renaming a directory. So renaming a directory in the sense move or moving a directory. So we will have a shortcut called as MV here. I'll just look at here. You got to include in the single quote MV stands for the move command. So covered. So can also be used for the renaming directories. So syntax for this one is MV space directory name space new directory name. Okay. So what are the previous directory name and the new directory name? Syntax. So example, again I have taken the one screenshot of here of the so-called terminal prompt, the shell prompt. So we should type mv, the previous directory name, and then that can be renamed as a new directory name. My directory will become as new directory. So already we are having my directory now with the previous case. That will be renamed as what? New directory. That can be encoded within the rectangle box. So this is about the renaming directory. Now coming to the so one more of so these are the some of the basic commands of the Unix. Apart from that one, we are having a one more command file as man command. So all of you just see here, man stands for manual command. Man stands for manual, which is the reference book of a Linux operating system. Okay. So the syntax of this command is $man again space man. So what it does? So the meaning of this one is it will display the the manual of the Linux operating system. Manual of the Linux operating system. So all I've just see here, this is the screenshot of this diagram. So in this screenshot, so in this screenshot, so whenever we are having a, we type a dollar $man, it will display the manual of the so-called Linux operating system. Next, coming back to the history command. So the name itself indicates history command helps us to display the previous data, the past we have used in the past. What that means it will show all the commands that we have used in the past for the current administration. So the screenshot of this command is, the example this one is dollar. You can type what history. So it will display all the commands whatever you have used in previous case. See here, cat sample, cat sample, cat like that. So it will display all the commands that we have used in the previously. So that is the purpose of the this history command. Next, coming to the clear command. This is a very simple command. The name, sir, once again the name shows this command will clear all the clutter on the terminal and gives you clear window. The meaning of clutter in the sense whatever you have typed in the POC now, that all will be disappear. Syntax will be very simple. Dollar you can type clear. Okay. So this is a screenshot. So once you type dollar, already this is already previously available data. So in the terminal prompt is the terminal dollar $clear. When you type this one, it will display nothing. Again, it will display what empty prompt. Okay, this is about the clear command. This is about the clear command. So in next class we will discuss about some more commands in Unix. Thank you.